Hi, I'm here to talk about the Motorola i1 Android phone. It's a touchscreen system type phone, very easy to use, nice interface. Uh, let's start with calling features. To call, you just hit the green phone button down here. That'll bring up dialer. It defaults to dialer, and you have call log, contacts, and favorites. All self-explanatory. You come over to contacts, you got your contacts. Now this button here will bring up a sub menu, and you can do various things. You can't really see, you might not be able to see this, but you've got search, new contact, enter talk group, filter, edit sync contacts, sim manager. You can come over to sim manager, of course, and you can sync your contacts to your Google or other accounts. Here's the back button. Sorry if you can't see. Here's your back button. Speaker, if you want to put it on speaker real quick while you're making a call. End talk, of course. When the phone is, when your screen goes dark, you can hit any of these buttons. It'll bring up the screen. Anyway, that's call log. Messaging, pretty straightforward. You want to do messaging here, it comes up. This is a log of your messaging, and it'll keep threads of people, and it'll count the messages, your message thread. If you want to do it, you can do a new message up here, or you can just bring up the thread, and it'll come up with the last message. And a keyboard, you can type. One of two ways of typing. You can type individually, or you can do swipe typing, it's called. Let's say I want to say hello here, Hello. If it doesn't recognize it, it'll come up with choices. You just hit the one you want, then hit send. That's all there is to it. Back here, let's talk about email real quick. If you want, you can do email or Gmail. I have Gmail up here. It's got all my messages. You can bring up your sub menu, and you've got refresh, compose. You want to compose a mail, just bring this up. Bingo. You want to go back to where you last were. You can do that. You can go to your sub menu again, view labels for other folders. It'll bring up like your inbox, starred messages, chats, sent, outbox, drafts, and on, all your different folders. You can hit home, or you can hit the back button. Also, a main menu. You've got your home screen. You can also hit this, and sorry, you can you touch this and you kind of flick it upward. It'll bring up everything you got here. You can scroll down to the next screen. You've got media gallery, messaging, music. Music is great, works real good. You've got artists, albums, songs, playlists. Start your music. Just hit play. Pretty self-explanatory. You can throw that on your home screen. I have it up here. You can just hit music there. Beautiful. Browser button. Sorry, contact button. There's your contacts again. That blue there. Let's talk about the home screen real quick. Oh, before that, I should just show you the browser real quick. Come to hit your browser button. It's going to bring you normally to the start page. If it doesn't, you can either hit the back button to bring you back to your start page, or hit start page, which is right here. Anyway, you can view anything you want pretty much. I've noticed with YouTube I haven't been able to bring up a few of the videos. Maybe some of you out there might have better luck, but I found that a little bit tough. Anyway, your start page has about 6 pages. You see, you got Google. Go anywhere you want, pretty much. Works pretty good. You've got, let's see, calendar, which is under your main menu here. Alarm clock, browser. Any of these you can put on the main screen. And the way you do that is you come to an area of the main screen where there is no icon, where there's some space. Put your finger there and hold it. It'll bring up this screen, shortcuts, widgets, folders, or wallpapers. If, let's say, we want to do a shortcut, obviously, to an application, you hit applications, it'll bring up these various things, and let's say we want, let's do this. Let's go back here. Sorry about that. Let's go to widgets, actually. We'll bring up Bluetooth. Now I'm going to have Bluetooth right up here on my home screen. Beautiful thing. Right now Bluetooth is disabled. The easiest way to bring it up is from this home screen. Just hit it. You'll see yellow, then green. Now your Bluetooth is enabled. Another way you can do that, if you didn't want to have this cluttering your home screen, you could come over to either settings and come in here and go in wireless controls, then Bluetooth, put it on. You can manage your connections. Oops, I hit airplane mode there accidentally. Let's see, Bluetooth settings, scan for devices, make discoverable, very easy. Let's see, there's under wireless controls, you've got sound and display, set your ringtones. You can data sync with different applications. Let's see, that's where you set your date and time. Let's see what else. You can manage applications again, as I said. So that's where you would do Bluetooth. Like I said, voice control, if you want to use that feature to call Eileen.
Mobile 1 calling.
Simple as that. If you want to stop the call, hit end. And go back. You can, if you wanted to send
Please wait. Fail command.
text Troy.
Missed call. 13. New missed call.
Okay, well that didn't work so good. But anyway, it generally does. I don't work for Boost, but I've not really had any significant problems with the voice control. Anyway, let's see. What else can I show you here? If you have help, questions, you can come here to the Help Center. Guided tours, tips and tricks, user guide, frequently asked questions. The market, if you want to go to the Boost mobile applications, you can search for games and stuff and buy games and download stuff like that. That's pretty much it. That's the basic interface and how to use the phone. A quick setup type thing. Normally you get messages up here. You'll have indications, and then you can just scroll it down like that, and then to roll up the wallpaper, in a sense, you just you touch on the bottom and you bring it up here. Let me do that again. Probably couldn't see that too good. Come here, up at the top. Well, I didn't do that too good. Touching this white bar area, it kind of brings down a little bit of a more white area, and then you can kind of just scroll it down real quick. Then if you want to bring up that wallpaper, just hit like that. Or another thing, if you wanted to do, you could just go home. Simple as that. But these are the basic features. I can't really go over. There's enough time to go over every single scenario, but that's the basics of this phone. Again, let's say you want to get rid of. Not sure I covered this, but if you wanted to get rid of any icon, you just come here and let's say calendar or alarm clock, for example. Touch on it. It'll bring up the a trash can right here where this white button is here. Click on that, it becomes a trash can, and then you toss it in there. Now, you don't have to worry about losing the application. It's still, of course, under here. You can bring it back up and do the same thing again by touching the home screen and adding it as a shortcut. We'll find applications, go to applications, and bring up alarm clock, and bam, it's right back up there. That's pretty much it for the Motorola i1. Thanks for tuning in, and hope this helped some people out there. Thanks a lot.